Hi, what is the value of x given that you have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x equals minus 8? So from here we have 2 as this, so we can pick one. We have it to be 2 to the power of x plus x plus x equals minus 8. So from here we have 2 to the power of x plus x plus x. We have it to be 3x equals minus 8. Then let us recall that when you have a to the power of m n, this can be simplified as a to the power of m, all in parentheses, to the power of n, which also equals a to the power of n, all in parentheses, to the power of n. So let us interchange this power as 2 to the power of x, all in parentheses, to the power of 3 to be equals minus 8. So from here, we have 2 to the power of x, all in parentheses, to the power of 3, then plus 8. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. So from here, let's have 8 in base 2 as 2 to the power of x, all in parentheses, to the power of 3, plus 2 to the power of 3. Then let's set everything to be equal 0 as this. Now, we're looking at this. This one has power 3, this one has power 3. Recall that when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equals a plus b, all in parentheses as this, multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So from here, we have our a to be equals 2 to the power of x, our b to be equals 2. So we have here to be 2 to the power of x plus 2 as this. Then again, multiply by 2 to the power of x, all in parentheses, to the power of 2, minus our a is 2 to the power of x, our b is 2. So we have 2 into 2 to the power of x. Then we have b square will be 2 square, here will be 4. So from here, for this expression to be equals 0, is either we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 equals 0, or we have 2 to the power of x, all in parentheses, to the power of 2, minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of x plus 4 equals 0. So from here we have 2 to the power of x equals minus 2. Then from here we can see that 2 to the power of x can never be equals minus 2 in a real space. So we are not going to have no real solution for this. But as we want to find the complex solution of this one, we can furthermore and try to introduce. So from here we can have this as 2 to the power of x equals, from here we can have minus 1 times 2 will give us minus 2. But we have to recall that I to the power of 2 always give us minus 1 in a complex space. So from here, we have 2 to the power of x equals I to the power of 2, then multiply by 2. And so therefore we have, so from here we have 2 to the power of x equals minus 1 times 2. Then we have I to the power of 2 to be equals minus 1. So here will be 2 to the power of x equals I to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. So when we introduce log, from here we have log 2 to the power of x equals log 2i to the power of 2. So from here, we have, when you have log p to the power of m, this can be written as m multiplied by log p. So from here we have here to be x log 2 equals log 2i to the power of 2. So divided by what? Log 2. So from here, this and this will cancel. So we are going to have x equals, you can have this as 2 log 2i, then divided by 2. And furthermore, we can re-express this as x equals 2 log 2i in base 2 as this. This I symbolizes that we only have this in a complex space. So also, let's go for case 2. So now from here, we can use quadratic formula to solve this, where we are going to have 2 to the power of x equals minus b, positive or negative, root of b squared minus 4ac, then all divided by 2a. So from here we have 2 to the power of x equals, our parameter b is the coefficient of 2 to the power of x is minus 2, and here is already minus. So we are going to have it to be minus, open bracket, minus 2, positive or negative, root of minus 2 all to the power of 2, minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, which is the coefficient of 2x squared is 1. Then our c is 4 divided by 2 times 1. c is the coefficient of, is this. So we have 2 to the power of x equals, minus times minus will be 2 plus 2, positive or negative, square root of this to the power of 2 will give us 4. 4 times 1 is 4 times 4 will be 16. We have here to be minus 16. Then divided by 2. So from here we have 2 to the power of x equals 2, positive or negative, root of 4 minus 16 will give us minus 12 divided by 2. So from here we have 2 to the power of x equals 2, positive or negative. We can have this as 4 times 3 times minus 1. It gives us minus 12, all divided by 2. So from here we have 2 to the power of x equals 2, positive or negative, root 4 times root 3 times root of minus 1, all divided by 2. So from here we have 2 to the power of x equals 2, positive or negative, root 4 will give us 2, multiplied by root 3, root of minus 1 will give us I, divided by 2. So when we divide this one by this, we have 2 to the power of x equals, this divided by this will be 1, positive or negative. This divided by this will also be root 3i. So therefore, we have our x to be equals this, but we must know that 2 to the power of x equals 1, positive or negative, root 3i. So this I symbolizes that we have a complex solution, and from here you can take the log of both sides, then here will be x multiplied by log 2 equals log of 1, positive or negative, root 3i. So when we divide through by log 2, so this and this will cancel. So we have x equals log of 1, positive or negative, root 3i, we close it like this, then in base 2. This is another complex solution. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.